Alright, I just finished eating dinner, and I was looking through the CVS ad for the week. Hey, this video's about you. You went ahead and where you going? Chig, where's he going? Bub, ven aquí. I had to go get him. He didn't come back. So anyway, I just finished looking at the CVS ad for the week, and it's been a long time since we've played the paper over the head game. But you got itches! I'll get those itches. Does that hurt? Okay, ready? I started this game with Charlie when he was a kitten because, you know, I'm always looking at the CVS ad because I'm a crazy couponer. And now, he's gotten better about it. He doesn't attack every piece of paper, but at first he really would. I think he likes the tearing motion. Are you watching TV? No, don't eat it. God. Bub, Kansas City weather, is it more interesting than our paper? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. So I put it under here. No claws when he grabbed it like that. Okay, love you, bye! Chig, what do you think? Oh, these people are crazy. Oh, somebody's back for more! Claws. Claws that time. Bub, did you use claws that time you did? When I put the paper over here and then I stuck my hand through here, he didn't like that he got played, if you will. Thanks so much for watching.